everyone. I guess most of you have decided your menu for today. Is it fish? As for me, today I have planned to cook a spicy dish. So if you are fond of hot spicy food, your search ends here. Let's cook Tangra Maach'r Tel Jhal. Tangra fish, also called Gangetic mystus, is a freshwater fish. It is also called catfish. It's of various sizes. This is what I have got. It is cleaned well and ready for marination. Now, unlike the other marinations that you have seen me doing, I am going to add red chili powder to this. So the marination is basically haldi powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder and salt. Then the marination is done by coating these masalas onto the fish very nicely. Now keep this aside while we get on to the other ingredients. Here I have taken 2 medium-sized potatoes and I have cut them into wedges. Now here I have taken 2 onions, 1 tomato, a large one, 4 red chilies, 4 green chilies, 1 bay leaf, and this is the ginger garlic paste. You can check out a video, Cooking Gets Simplified, regarding kitchen tips. I'll provide the link below. And this is the garlic. I'll need about 6 to 7 pods since some are very small ones. So I'm going to count 2 or 3 as one big pod. So this is it. And then what I need is the jeera, that is cumin seed. I need about 3 teaspoons of cumin seed. What I'll do with this is I'm going to roast this cumin seeds. This is 3 teaspoons. Along with this, I'm going to add the red chili, dry red chili, that is sukha mirch that they call. I'm going to roast it. It will be easier if I cut it into small pieces. So let me do that first. Yes, I've chopped them into small pieces. Now this is to be done in a very low flame. Don't burn the spices, just as it turns a little aromatic. A slight change in color. That is the point when you stop doing, turn off the flame and remove the tawa from the heat. Keep it elsewhere for it to cool completely. While roasting the dry spices, that is cumin seeds and chili, dry chili, I have heated some mustard oil in a karai. When the oil is smoking hot, I'll add this fish into it, the marinated fish, and cover it. Now, let me show you what are the other things that I'll be doing while this is frying. I have chopped the onions into slices, garlic too sliced, chilies I've slit them, tomato chopped it into fine pieces, and that is the ginger garlic paste that I showed you earlier. Now back to the fish. Gently turn the fish. If it's done on one side, it has to be light golden in color. Cover it for some more time so that the other side also cooks. When you're frying the fish, do it in high flame after covering it, that is. Now this is done. I'm going to remove it. It will take about 2 minutes on each side to be fried properly. While removing the fish, keep the flame on low. This is done. If you have to add some more oil, please do, because this is tel jhal. You need oil in it, a lot of it. Now, if you have added some more oil, let it heat again. And then you add the potatoes, a little bit of salt, and then fry the potatoes till they change. You may even cover the karai for some time for the potatoes to cook up fast. I've covered it. I think these spices have cooled. I can just feel it with my hand. What I will do is I'm going to dry roast it. Please do not add water while grinding this spice. You can even do it separately, cumins as well as the red chili separately, but I have done it together. Once they have turned into a fine powder, you can take it out and add some water into it. I have just kept it like this. So this is done. Now getting on to the fish recipe, I'll see that the potatoes have cooked more or less. I'm going to remove them and keep it aside. Now to the same oil, I will add the bay leaf and 1 teaspoon of cumin seed. Then in goes the garlic, sliced garlic. And then I'm going to fry it till I'm going to get an aromatic fragrance. The garlic will give its own fragrance here. It will turn light brown in color. Please do not burn it. It will change the entire taste of this recipe. Light color change. At this point, I'm going to add the sliced onions into it. I'll start frying this. See, the onion also has started to change its color, a pinkish brown color. Then I'm going to add the ginger garlic paste. I will give the ingredients at the end of the video. You can have a look at all the ingredients, exact measurements of it. After just mixing it for some time, I will add the tomatoes as well as the slit green chilies. Now I'm going to fry this very well. This frying part is very important. The tomatoes have to cook very well. I'm going to cover it for some time so that the tomatoes will turn mushy. I've covered it. After some time I opened it again and again I'm stirring it. See, can you see it is nearly cooked? The tomato has already turned mushy. I can break a few chilies. You can do that as well. Once this is done, the next step is I'm going to add the dry powder mix, the spice powder that I made earlier. I could have mixed it with water and put it, but I have done it separately and then I added the water. You can do it either ways. Then I will add the other spices, that is haldi powder, turmeric powder and the red chili powder. This is the red chili powder, and the second one that I have added is the Kashmiri red chili powder for the red color. And then little sugar, and then I'm going to add the salt. Salt will be as per your taste. Fry this for about 1 minute or so till you see that the oil starts to ooze out from the sides. Can you see the oil oozing out? This is the right time to stop frying this masala. If you over fry it now, it is going to turn bitter. So stop at this stage and add warm water into this masala that you have fried. Please add warm water, or else the cooking process will start all over again from the beginning if you add cold water. So we want to continue it in fact from this level itself. The water is still in a rolling boil. I'm going to add the fish into it now. All the fish goes into this along with the fried potatoes. I'll just mix it up and then cover it and keep it in a simmer for about 7 to 10 minutes. And then our recipe is done. I have other fish recipes too in my channel, Please have a look into it. The link will be provided below. Here, after 7 to 10 minutes, it is ready to be served. It should have a thick gravy with a good amount of oil on top. It should not be runny. Serve it hot with plain steamed rice and enjoy the symphony of Bengal. And please do like, comment and share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.